Hello there. Hope you're doing good today. Today I'm going to share a recipe with you that was inspired by my husband to me. This is called the radish curry or the radish fry. So it's a bit of twist that we normally make out from a normal Indian cuisine, that is radish sambar. So let's go on with the ingredients now. Here we have oil, mustard seeds, jeera, chana dal, urad dal, curry leaves, one medium sized onion which is thinly sliced, and two green chilies, ginger garlic paste, four small radishes which are grated finely, turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander powder, and salt. So let's get starting. Here I have a deep bottom vessel which is transparent, so it's easy for you people to have a look at what is cooking inside. So let's start. Let's on the gas and keep the flame as medium. Let's add some oil. Here I am adding 3 tablespoons of oil. Now let's add a half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, one teaspoon of jeera, half a teaspoon of chana dal, and half a teaspoon of urad dal. So we can see that the mustard seeds are starting to splutter. Let's give a quick mix. Keep the flame as medium. Don't put it as high. If you put it as high, all of this will get burnt. So we don't want that, right? So keeping the flame as medium. Now we add in 3 sprigs of curry leaves. So give a quick mix. Now we add in the onions and the green chilies. Mix them all in properly. And now we cover it and let it cook till the onions are translucent. Now once the onions are translucent, we add in the ginger garlic paste. Here I'm adding 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. At this moment, we need to put the flame as low since the ginger garlic paste tends to burn quickly. So we now reduce the flame to low and add the ginger garlic paste and give a quick mix so that it is completely mixed with the onions and the green chilies and all the other ingredients. cover it up and cook it for a minute. Give a quick stir. Now we add in half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and mix, mix, mix. You know, turmeric powder is really good in removing the bitterness or the sweetness of a vegetable. So while making fries or curries like this, we add a tad bit more of turmeric powder than we add them in sambar powder, in order to remove, as I said, the bitterness and the sweetness of a vegetable. Now we go ahead and add the radish. You can even cut the radish into small cubes and add it here, but for me, I thought by grating it, it would help in cooking faster, you know. So that's why I grated it like I grated like for carrot fry. So it's thinly grated, finely grated. Now we mix, mix, mix the radish into all the other ingredients so that it is thoroughly coated with the masala, the onions and the green chilies and all the others. Remember, the flame is still low. Don't increase it at all. So we cover it up and let it cook for about 8 minutes. So after 8 minutes, we can see that the radish has been cooked for up to 80%. So you will know if you just taste a strand of radish, so you can come to know it needs to be soft and a little less bitterness. So at this stage, we add in the masala powders. Now I'm adding a half a teaspoon of coriander powder, and half a teaspoon of red chili powder. Again, if you want it spicy, you can increase the amount of red chili powder up to your taste. Adding a salt as per your taste. And now we mix, mix, mix. We mix all the ingredients together till the entire, all of them come together, you know, the radish, the onions, the red chili powder, those two powder and green chili, everything. So mix it well. The flame is still low. And let's cover this and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, you see that your radish fry is 100% done. Give a quick stir, a good mix, and this is really good. You would, when you try to taste it, you can see that the bitterness of the radish has gone, and it's a really tasty dish. You can have it with chapati or like you know, a curry for your rice dishes. So hope you go ahead and try this recipe, sorry. And hope you enjoyed this video. So if you did, make sure to go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel Also, hit the notification bell, and I will see you next time. Till then, take care. Bye.